Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chicago. But tonight, we're not stopping at one city. We're touring America after dark. New York, a skyline of dreams. Times Square blazing like the center of the universe. Los Angeles, stars in the sky and stars walking the streets. Nights that feel like movies. Chicago, steel, river lights, a city carved from hustle, glowing with pride. Miami, neon heat on ocean breeze, a nightlife alive and electric. Las Vegas, a desert transformed into pure light, where ambition spins the wheel and wins loud. Washington, D.C. monuments shining in silence, history standing tall under moonlight. Because in America, nights don't rest, and dreamers don't sleep. This isn't nightlife, it's ambition awake. Shine louder, dream bigger. America